Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. My name is Taneol, and I'm an anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry veterans to come together to share their knowledge, ideas, thoughts, and best practices with one another, as well as with upcoming industry experts. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings of all our industry stalwarts. We hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leader interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personality. By bringing together such visionaries on one platform, we hope to play a part in inspiring the lives of other leaders. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone as they help us to identify, nurture, and work on trade secrets that have already proven a success formula for so many. And this is what we aim for with these sessions by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge sharing community. We have one such industry titan on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Dr. P.C. Rajan. We welcome you on the show, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
He is a widely recognized as an esteemed expert in the fields of financial management, legal affairs, and derivatives markets, where he has demonstrated exceptional proficiency. In his capacity as CFO, he has demonstrated exceptional leadership in strategic financial activities, business planning, forecasting, and analysis. He possesses a strong command of commercial, financial, legal, and administrative functions, ensuring effective management of operating funds and internal control frameworks. His proactive approach to cost reduction, innovation, and new ideas has kept organizations abreast with evolving technologies and market trends. Moreover, his expertise in formulating company strategies related to derivative financial instruments has provided invaluable guidance to senior management and business units. So, sir, you have a diverse background in finance, law, and management. How do you believe this multidisciplinary expertise benefits your role as a registered valuer of securities or financial assets?
Okay, I will explain to you one by one. Actually, first I will take it finance. Financial knowledge is a must for to become a valuer, because there are deep understanding of the financial knowledge is required. So that is why for valuing any company, we have to know enough knowledge. We have which type of the valuation we are going to use. Is it a dividend discount model, or this is a asset-based valuation? It is a cash flow valuation. There are many types of valuations. So you have to know, you have to have that much knowledge to value the company. So financial knowledge is a must. Second thing is legal knowledge. Legal knowledge, there is lot of compliance parties there for valuation. If we are not looking for new regulation rules of SEBI, RBI, and all these things, then valuation, whatever valuation you do, it may not be a valid valuation. So legal knowledge is also very well. You have to have enough knowledge in legal knowledge, legal knowledge also. And the third one is for management. Management is any type of the business. You have to understand what type of the business they are doing. You have to understand the business, their competitors, and their products, and their future business, how they are going to do business in the future. Accordingly, we value the companies. We are valuing the future of the companies. So we don't look for the past. So how the company is going to perform, whether they have got any rivalry, any competitors, the product is going to be outdated, and all the things we have to see that. So management is also important for doing valuation.
Okay. So, as a CFO in various organizations, you handle strategic financial activities, business planning, and forecasting. Can you discuss a specific strategy you've developed that has significantly impacted the organization's financial performance?
So I was working for the oil and gas industry. In oil and gas industry, all the contracts in US dollars, because all the receivable would be the US dollars or foreign currencies. In that cases, we have to, because my knowledge in derivatives helped a lot, because I can do a lot of foreign currency hedging is that I can do it, because future money I can see that this much money is going to come in. I will see the fluctuations in the foreign currency market. The moment I come to know that the market is going up, then accordingly I will use different strategies. Accordingly, I made a lot of money for the company for using this strategy.
So you have a doctoral degree in derivative operations in the Indian capital market. Could you share some insights into your thesis?
Yes. Derivatives market, actually, derivatives trading has started in India in 2000. 2000 onwards, and it has started. It is actually derivatives, it is a risk management tool. Normally, we are using for the risk management because in nowadays we can see that different type of the peoples are there, multinational companies are there, and individual investors also there. The multinational companies and corporate clients are highly efficient and all these things, but the individual investors, they don't have enough knowledge. So I was studying about this parties. What are the things we can do for the individual investors? Individual investors. So that is the study I was doing that. So that I come to know that because there are many things are lacking. We have to give enough education. We have to give, actually, my suggestion was that, there would be an exam for the local investors, so that, they will understand. Otherwise, this is very dangerous, trading. So you will lose everything. And there are different type of the strategies also there. Sometimes you will not understand that what are the strategies that people are using that. In foreign countries, 50 years, 60 years, they have lot of experience. For us, it is a new things. So that's why we are studying all these things. So this is what we are studying it. What are the steps? What are the SEBI rules? What are the RBI rules? What are the steps you have to take for the benefit of the individual investors? That was
Is your interest in the field of corporate governance led by your work purview, including cyber law, finance, etc., and how?
actually good corporate governance fosters ethical business practices leading to financial viability and attracting investors. So corporate governance is very much important. Good corporate governance will attract investors, will attract investments and all these things. So as a corporate governance, we have to have enough knowledge. My knowledge in finance, legal, and management will help them, because I can help them because I am in the valuation field. I know that what are the steps you have to take to community valuation go up. These are the steps you take, then your value of the company will go up. Likewise, I can work for the different committees, audit committees, remuneration committees, ethics committees. So all the ways, legal, my finance, and valuation and management will help for the corporate governance in any company.
So, as a corporate governance expert, what values do you bring to the table?
Yes, again, I'm telling you that the values I can bring it because I have vast experience in different fields. I have 13, 14 years experience as a lawyer in Bombay High Court. After that, I have incorporated multinational companies and listed companies and private companies as a CFO. I have a lot of experience in the derivatives and finance, legal. So all this help for any type of company. If you are working for any type of the companies, legal and finance and management is same. Only the industry would be different. Maybe a pharmaceutical company, it's oil and gas industry. Nowadays, you can see that, pros, there are people are, if it is a pharmaceutical companies, and people are taking from different industries, so that, you will get different perspectives, different ideas from different industries. Anyway, if for example, if a pharma company, they are already have enough, expertise, people are already there. So if anybody is coming from different field, so they will get different ideas.
So, what are some ways you can leverage technologies like IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, cloud, digital twin, big data, and Web 3.0 in your field?
In every field, in our field, because technology is for decision making nowadays, people are using technologies. That means artificial intelligence or big data project, machine learning, supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and face recognition. There are many things are there. So in banking, finance, all these companies, if you are giving it data, you will get the correct answer, because all machine learns everything. Because instead of we are using your mind, you give the data and you will get the result. Accordingly, you can take decisions. So nowadays, this is very good idea because in all the organizations nowadays using all this artificial, all machine learning is everywhere it is there. Initial stages we can see that we are using statistical methods. That is now outdated. Now these are the technologies coming from.
So we're building a community here of industry magnates. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. What are your thoughts about this initiative taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the whole World Development Corporation team?
This is a very, 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 this is a fantastic way to gain a new perspective from genuine knowledge masters. You will get different kinds of people, different knowledge people. So when you are introduced members from different backgrounds and different experiences, you get a fresh perspective when tackling an obstacle. So this is a very good initiative. So I can say that it's a great initiative taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan and Mr. Heval Mehta, along with the whole World Development Corporation team. Your team is also very good team because everywhere you have a specialized people are there for all things. So whenever I can say that this is things, next moment I get the response. So your team is also so good.
Thank you, sir. Great, sir. It was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will inspire future leaders. Thank you so much for joining us today, sir, and wish you the best for your future endeavors. Moreover, trust that this initiative by Directors Institute unquestionably has expanded the participants' understanding and enriched their minds. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Same to you.